ERADICATE ODORS. FRAM air vent filters release clean air that is deodorized with the power of ARM and Hammer baking soda. Embrace cleaner and fresher air while eliminating dirt. Material: paper. Eliminates irritants. Various particles like dust and pollen can accumulate inside your vehicle. These hard-to-see irritants can be exposed to all passengers, but FRAM air cabin filter filters 98% of irritants. Easy install. Install FRAM cabin filter within minutes by reaching into your glove compartment, sliding your filter in and getting a locked-in fit. Refreshing. Experience a cleaner and refreshing feeling with our vehicle air filter. No more road trips where unknown particles may be surrounding the air you breathe. Instead, enjoy the rides with a pleasant lingering scent. ARM and Hammer. FRAM Fresh Breeze is the only cabin air filter that can help remove odors flowing through the vehicle ventilation system, thanks to the ARM Hammer baking soda and carbon embedded in the filter media. FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filters can keep up to 98% of road dust and pollen particles from entering your vehicle to improve your driving comfort. The FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filter is the only cabin air filter that uses the natural deodorizing properties of ARM Hammer baking soda and activated carbon embedded in the filter to remove odors flowing through the ventilation system. Particles that enter the vehicle with outside air through the vehicle's air conditioning, heating and ventilation system can become concentrated and expose passengers to road dust, dirt and allergens at higher levels than outside the car. Breathe in cleaner air with a FRAM Fresh Breeze cabin air filter. FRAM recommends changing your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my 2011 RAV4. Bought this when I couldn't find the size I needed locally. I have been using these FRAM cabin filters for years now. They work really well and fit perfectly into my RAV4. Saves me quite a bit of money changing these out myself versus having it done at a shop and can be done in under 10 minutes.